Hey guys, this is Travis Elliott and welcome to Power Yoga Cardio. This class is from Interdimension TV, our monthly streaming platform where you can get access to all of my programs, series, and classes, and practice with other amazing instructors as well. If you want to take your practice to a whole other level, click on the link down below to start your 10-day free trial. Also remember to hit that subscribe button. And now, let's go ahead and jump into the flow. All right, let's begin in mountain pose, hands at prayer position. Take a deep inhale through the nose. And out the mouth, exhale, let it go. Open up the eyes, inhale, reach those arms all the way up. And then on the exhale, forward fold, dive. Flat back on the inhale. Forward bend, exhale, relax. Inhale, rise and fly, both arms back up. And hands to prayer position, half sun salutations. Inhale, arms come up. And on the exhale, forward fold. Good, flat back on the inhale. Forward bend, exhale, one more round. Inhale, root through the feet as you rise and reach. Hands to prayer right down that center line. Inhale, arms up, grow long, get tall. Forward fold with that wind of breath. Flat back on the inhale. Step back to plank pose. Go ahead and lower down. Same exhale, steadily. Cobra on the inhale. And then down dog on the exhale. Take a couple breaths first, downward facing dog. As we initiate a sweet cardio flow, take an inhale, press back, sink into the body. And then on an exhale, go ahead and walk both feet all the way forward, top of the mat. Flat back on the inhale, forward bend, exhale. Inhale, rise and sweep both arms up. Exhale, hands to prayer position in front of the heart. Inhale, upward salute. And exhale, forward fold. Flat back, inhale. Step back to plank pose, lower down, elbows in, good form. Cobra, inhale to arch that spine. And then exhale back to down dog. Go ahead and take an inhale, press back. And then on an exhale, walk your feet forward, top of the mat. Flat back, inhale with the feet together. Forward fold, exhale, bend the knees, take a seat. One inhale to chair, lift those arms up. And then forward fold, exhale, let it go. Flat back, inhale. Step or jump back, lower down, chaturanga dandasana. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg floats up. Exhale, right foot flows deep, runner's lunge. Come up to crescent pose. One inhale as we find a little flow. And then exhale, lower all the way down with upper body muscle. Inhale, spread through the chest. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left foot through. Inhale, rise, a little bit of balance as you reach. And then exhale, vinyasa all the way down. Inhale, breathe into the lungs. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, press back. And exhale, walk or fly, top of the mat. Flat back, inhale. Fold, exhale, bend the knees. Chair, inhale, reach up. Sweep the arms back, exhale. Chair, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Inhale, flat back. And exhale, step or jump back, vinyasa. Cobra up dog, inhale. And then down dog, exhale. Right leg up, inhale. Right foot deep, exhale. Crescent pose, inhale, come up. Sweep the arms back, out breath. Crescent pose, inhale up. And then exhale, vinyasa in the flow, lower with control. Inhale, shoulders roll. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left foot deep. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, sweep behind. Inhale, crescent up. And then exhale, vinyasa, lower down. Inhale, pump that blood into the back. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, press back. And then exhale, walk or jump. Top of the mat. Flat back inhale. Fold, exhale, bend the knees. Chair, inhale, arms up. Sweep back, exhale. One more of those. Inhale, come up. Exhale, sweep back for 2. Inhale, chair. Forward fold, let it go. Flat back, inhale. Step or jump back. Lower down, exhale. Cobra up dog, inhale. And then down dog, exhale. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right foot deep. Inhale, crescent, come up. Sweep back, exhale. One more of those. Inhale up. Exhale, sweep back. Inhale, crescent, rise. Exhale, vinyasa with that steady mind. Inhale, sweet cardio flow. Exhale, other side we go. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left foot deep. Inhale, rise. Exhale on thigh. Inhale one more time. Exhale, sweep behind. Inhale, rise and shine. Exhale, vinyasa. Lower down and enjoy the ride. Inhale, because you're moving, grooving, and flowing. Exhale, down dog. Now right leg up, inhale. Right foot deep, exhale. Inhale, crescent, come up. And then exhale, vinyasa, lower down. Inhale is cardio, you guys. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left foot deep. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, vinyasa, lower slow. Inhale, heart high. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, deep. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, vinyasa without collapsing. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, bring it through. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, vinyasa. One more round coming. Inhale, you got this. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, right foot deep. Inhale, crescent, hold there. And then exhale, hands to prayer. Good, inhale, open those arms out wide. Exhale, bring it to the inside. Circle those arms up. Inhale, maybe lean back. And then exhale, vinyasa. Smooth sailing towards the mat. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, left foot top of the mat. Inhale, crescent, rise. Exhale, hands to prayer, pause. Inhale, yoga, tai chi. Exhale, gather that energy. Inhale, reach those arms up. Exhale, lower down. Vinyasa flow. Inhale, chest and sternum up. Exhale, you made it. Down dog. Well, you guys, I think we did it. We got that heart rate up. Let's wind it down. Inhale, press back. Relax the knees down to the mat. Stand up on top of your knees. Bring your hands up to your hips, your waist. You can bring those hands around to that lower back. And then camel pose. Just leaning back, spreading wide through the chest. And feeling that heart thundering strong right there in the middle of your chest. A sign of aliveness. So good to be alive. Take one last inhale there. And then exhale, ease your way up. Hands on the ground. Crawl the knees forward, top of the mat. All right, from here, go ahead and recline all the way onto the back. Hug the right knee in, extend the left leg out. Open the right arm like a wing to the right. Take that right knee all the way over to the left into a twist. Feel that sweet release across the lower back. Good, right knee back up. Left knee in to join the right. Extend that right leg forward. Open the left arm out to the left. Anchor the left shoulder blade down as you take that left knee all the way over to the right. Beautiful, left knee back up to middle. bend the knees in. Take an inhale, curl up, give your body a squeeze. And then exhale, Shavasana, release. Take a big inhale through the nose. And then out the mouth, exhale, let it go. You guys, that's it for this one. Feel free to stay in Shavasana as long as you like. Officially, we're going to say we're done. Much health, much wealth, much love to you. Namaste. All right, you guys, that's it for Power Yoga Cardio. I hope you enjoyed the flow. Drop me a comment down below and let me know how it was. Also, remember to check out that 10-day free trial at Interdimension TV. Thank you so much for your practice and have a beautiful rest of your day.